Stock Market Investing for Beginners, a comprehensive guide to building wealth. Entering the world of stock market investing can be both exciting and intimidating, especially for those who are new to the concept. We will discuss the basics of stock market investing, outline key principles and strategies, and provide tips for managing risk and optimizing returns. A stock, also known as a share, represents partial ownership of a company. When you purchase a share of a company, you become a shareholder and are entitled to a portion of the company's profits, typically in the form of dividends. The stock market is a platform where stocks are bought and sold, allowing investors to participate in the growth and success of various companies. Investing in stocks can be an effective way to build wealth over time, as the stock market has historically provided higher returns than other types of investments, such as bonds or savings accounts. However, it is important to remember that investing in stocks also comes with inherent risks, as the value of your investment can fluctuate based on market conditions and the performance of the companies you invest in. Set clear investment goals. Before diving into stock market investing, it is crucial to establish your financial goals and determine your risk tolerance. Are you looking for long-term growth, income generation, or a combination of both? Understanding your investment objectives will help guide your decision-making and portfolio construction. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is a key principle in investing that involves spreading your investments across a variety of assets to minimize risk. By investing in a diverse range of stocks across different sectors and industries, you can reduce the impact of poor-performing investments on your overall portfolio. Start with a solid foundation. As a beginner, it is generally advisable to start with well-established, financially stable companies with a proven track record of success. These companies, often referred to as blue-chip stocks, can provide a solid foundation for your portfolio while you gain experience and confidence in the market. Learn about different investment strategies. There are numerous investment strategies to choose from, such as value investing, growth investing, and dividend investing. Familiarize yourself with the different approaches and consider incorporating elements of each into your portfolio to suit your investment objectives. Invest regularly and consistently. One of the keys to successful stock market investing is consistency. By investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, you can take advantage of market fluctuations and reduce the impact of market timing on your returns. This approach, known as dollar-cost averaging, can help you build wealth over time while minimizing risk. Keep emotions in check. The stock market can be volatile, and it is essential to maintain a level-headed approach when making investment decisions. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations and stay focused on your long-term investment goals. Monitor your investments and adjust as necessary. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. As you gain experience and confidence, consider exploring additional investment opportunities, such as small-cap stocks, international stocks, or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Seek professional advice. If you are unsure about your investment decisions or need guidance, consider consulting a financial advisor. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique financial situation and help you develop a comprehensive investment plan. In conclusion, investing in stocks can be a rewarding endeavor for beginners willing to learn and apply key principles and strategies. By setting clear investment goals, diversifying your portfolio, and staying disciplined, you can navigate the stock market with confidence and work towards building long-term wealth. Remember to regularly monitor and adjust your investments as needed, and don't hesitate to seek professional advice if you require assistance. With patience, perseverance, and a commitment to ongoing learning, stock market investing can be a valuable tool for achieving your financial objectives and securing your financial future. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.